The Manistee River traverses the northwest of Michigan's Lower Peninsula. From its headwaters near Mansalona to Lake Michigan, it flows for nearly 200 miles or 300 kilometers. This gem of a waterway is one of the Great Lakes region's true natural treasures. The deep glacial sands attribute to its clean, cool waters, and notoriety as one of the United States' best trout fisheries east of the Rockies. The river is generally wide and smooth flowing, with the occasional switchback or Class 1 swift. The biggest paddling challenges come from the submerged timbers and overhanging sweepers. The Manistee holds a special place in my heart. It's on this river I first cut my teeth into wilderness canoe tripping. Each time I return, I'm taken back by the natural beauty and the plethora of wildlife that make this waterway home. My two sons and I have made a tradition of paddling the Manistee in June, as soon as they finish their school year. It's an exciting way to kick off the summer vacation and always comes with an abundance of laughs and memories sure to last a lifetime. Join us on this 4-day adventure where we paddle 67 miles. Along the way, we endure rain, catch a staggering number of trout, see wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. This is the Manistee.